Hey guys, today is January the 6th of 2014. I want to go over the euro, just give you my thoughts and my opinions, and know that this is an educational video only, so please consult a professional financial advisor. Okay, as you can see, the Asian market was pretty negative, so euro was mixed, FTSE and DAX positive, and the US session just started, so negative as of now, 0.5%. On the calendar today, we have at 9 a.m. we have ISM non-manufacturing PMI came out to 53, which is negative. Forecast was 54, so that should be something positive for the euro. And the next big event will be at 4:30 p.m. with the Fed chairman nomination vote, and 6:30 will be the Aussie. So that's all it for the calendar today. And in the commitments of trader report, you can see that the euro, large speculators are going long because of the green line. The blue line is commercial, so they're hedging. And red is retail, you and me, and they're going long. And the report was this last report was the 24th. The next one should be coming out, I believe, tomorrow. So we'll see where the money's going, but this is the latest report that we have, and the sentiment is very bearish now. It's climbing up as price is going down. This is climbing up, so it's very bearish. So we'll see where the money, once the report comes out, where it's heading. But this is as of last week, so we interested to see where's that. Let's get into the charts. Before I do that, let's go into the Gann emblem. Today is a vibrational day, which is the 6. You got a nice hit right here, 3 days, and you got one right here, so that's 4. So this could be a possible low for the euro today. Possible low. Just want to put that out there. And then after today, we'll look to see the other dates that we have hits. The 7th, we got 2. But today should be an interesting day. And that's about it. Geometry dates. The next one we have probably the 19th. The 11th will be the market's close because that's a Saturday. So let's get to the charts. I want to show you that. Let's close this right here, the swing low. I want to show you that on my chart, I just added this Andrews pitchfork. I wanted to make sure I had all the right angles. And this is from the low of 2012, 724. And just added this one, so this big red one you see right here, this is the one that you see on the daily. So now that we have that established, this is a key level you need to watch if this goes down. If it doesn't hold this, then there's nothing else supporting this thing besides pivots in regards to Andrews angles. So this would be an interesting level. From this swing low to swing high is 35.94. That's the 50%. So that's a key level you want to watch. If you want to go long, this is a level that you need to be closing above and stay above. And if not, here. And if you crack that, if you close below that and close below that, then there's going to be definitely more downside to the euro. In regards to date-wise, these are from the low here and here, calculations of pivot turns. So the January the 5th was yesterday, and the 8th is coming up for possible turn and change of trend. Seasonal dates you want to watch is the 15th, the 20th, and the 30th. If this continues down, then these are dates you want to keep an eye on if the euro is going to find support on these days, price, and time to change. So I'm just giving you possibilities, not saying which one is going to be the one. Price action is going to determine that, but it'll give you an edge to know that there's these dates that the euro could turn. Or if it goes up and it finds weakness and it starts turning and it makes a high on any of these days and continues lower, it's the same effect too. If I add the ABC pattern of the swing low from here to here, you got the 65%, which is right here, is at 35.56. So if it gets down there, that could probably be a nice little area, if you risk reward to go long And if it cracks down, it pushes down, then you'll be right out. But it'll be interesting to see what the euro does today. I think that's it for this chart I wanted to show you. This is the area you just want to watch very closely. Let's get into the my grid right here, and you see that this is where the euro's at, and you see we just got a pop, so now it's looking good. These are the angles it was chopping around, and if it closes above that 50, which is at 30, what's that, 50% level, somewhere around here, at 36.15, if it could stay above there, then it could be a good bet that we're probably going to be going higher. But if it stays below that, then very risky to go long right now. Let's look at this. It depends on your your trading style. If we look at the 5-4 grid I have here, this is the 1-by-1 angle. We need to stay above this angle if we're going to go long, or we're going to go bullish. And that level right there is at 36.26. 36.26. It just popped all that, but if it makes it's going to be doing all this noise and up and down and shaking. But if it could close above that 1-by-1 angle, then it could be a good possibility we're going to go higher or trend higher, but we'll see. If we look at let's glance this chart and see where we at level wise. You got the Ichimoku cloud right here as support, which is at 36.63. You got this linear regression line right here, which is the middle, and it found support there. And you found support at the Woody's pivot, which is the S1 monthly, 35.75. So right now, this is a weekly right here resistance of 36.45. You got to keep a level like that, and that Bobo band right there, tip. You want to keep a level on that. I want to show you the square of 9. See where we at also here. As you can see, the 6, nothing major happened there. From the pivot high of the 25th of the 7th, we got a vibration right here at the 6th, so it could be a possible low. We did a low on the 21st, so there's a pattern set up right there. On the hex time, you see that you got the 6, so you got a hit right here, so it could be a possible low. And on the 7th flow, nothing major there. Square of 4, price and time, you're the 6 here, nothing major there. Square of 4, nothing major there. Nothing major there on the square of 9. And on the square of 9, November 7th low, you got a hit right here. So it could be a possible low right there, or a possible resistance, depending what the action does today. But sort of put that out there. And I think that's it. I wanted to show you that. And let's see. Let's look at the big picture. I don't got too much time. I try to keep these videos at least 10 minutes short. You guys, if you guys see my video, also want to show you, see the euro's got a nice pop, the pound, nice pop. Yeah, the yang and the Aussie are negative compared to the dollar. So that's what's going on right now. You see my video, this is my monthly, weekly, daily, and 12-hour. So right now, we got support, we got a bounce, got a SOAP buy signal, but none of these indicators are confirming the buy yet, so we'll see how it goes today. And you got the 50 right here, so nothing positive on the 12. You see, you got a squeeze play set up over here on the daily, saying that the price wants to push lower. So if we could close above the 50, then it could be a good possibility we're going to go higher. We can't close above that 50 on the daily. Might be a tough thing. So as of right now, I'm on the sideline just watching. On the weekly, this is setting up for like a nice snapback. So it could be a possible turn. But then you got fish or sell, and you got a hockey stick. So there's a lot of mixed signals going on over here. The ones that are more interesting and concerning to me is the squeeze play right here, pushing to the downside. This is pushing to the downside. This is negative, and this is kind of trending sideways as of now, but pushing lower. This is pushing lower. Team is negative on the daily, so the weekly is positive. Snapback possibility, but Fisher negative. So I don't know. It's kind of mixed. I'm still on the sideline. I'm just waiting to see if we could close above that 50 and then determine what I'm going to do. But I hope this helps and make some money and good trading. Peace.